It goes for a throw-in for Hearts. 60 minutes played. It means Kotoko and Hearts have got 30 more minutes to either hold on to their lead or come back into this game. Long ball to the fabulous half. Clear though, but back to the Phobian half, control now by Shuab Sharif. Sharif on the ball for Phobia. Kicks a long one outfield, looking for options. Ball headed back powerfully, and it drops in midfield. Cleared now by Kotoko, but straight to a Phobian player. Captain for the side, a new man upon Afrani. Gets the ball to the left side now. Phobia on a chance. This could be a chance, and Samba O'Neill defending strongly. A player is down though, so ball has been cleared, and out it goes for a throw-in for Artifolk. A Kotoko player is down the turf, and that looks like, who could that be? Seth Kojo looks like, who is down the turf. So how times do change. It is not a fabulous lads who are singing and chanting their team anthem.
Well, I hope it is not a game of two halves. But of course, Hearts of Oak had Kotoko in the first half. They had some chances and they scored a brilliant goal. And then of course, we saw Asante Kotoko coming in the second half. Right from the start of the second half, they went on.
And then the replay is for the goals.
Brilliant goals.
The first goal for Kotoko. That is Peter Amidou. The cross came, look at it. And then the header from Kunadu Yadom into his own net. Poor one from Kunadu Yadom. Second goal, long ball. And then Kwampuku on a run again with Kunadu Yadom again. Kunadu unfortunately cleared the ball and it only came off the body of Amwa. And then Amwa with a beautiful cutback. And Poku had the gaping goal to plant the ball in. Brilliant goal by all standards. A gift of brilliant goals there from Kwame Poku to make it 2-1 for the Fabulous team. Ball in the Hearts of Oak. Control the ball beautifully in their own half. Accra Hearts of Oak. Kotoko with the ball. It's an infringement too. The referee will call the ball back. Referee will call the ball back. So there it is now. Game gets underway. On the right side is Amankwa. Emmanuel Amankwa for Hearts of Oak. Get the ball to Kakari. He goes in full now. Kakari on the ball still. Kakari with a chance. Shoots one. And it's been blocked again. Hearts of Oak with the ball again now. And Rasha comes in. And out will go for a goal kick though for the Fabulous team. Shot flying way off target. So it is a goal kick for Kotoko. Taken there by Kamara. Kamara looks for an option. He finds one in Zakaria Husseini. Husseini as always with a long kick field. But the ball has been cleared and headed back to the Phobian half. Has to got the ball now though. Raphael Amponsa in midfield. He finds his man on the left side. Stephen Osei Apia. Asari goes down. Represents play to go on. Play goes on. Lord Amwa. Ball in the area of Kotoko. Good ball looking for the run of Kampoku, but that was too strong a pass, and out the ball go for throw in for Hearts of Oak. Kunadu Yadom knows time is not on their side, so he rolls one down to his goalkeeper, Sharif Shuab, who intends finds captain for their side now. Then upon Afrani, his pass not good enough though, but drops for Raphael Amponsa. Referee says that should be an infringement for the Phobian team, as Amponsa was fouled by Kotoko Zakaria Husseini. And has to work in their own half. Good ball in field. Ball be cleared though by Aqua for Kotoko. Now to Enchi. Enchi on the ball now in midfield. Looking for options. Always brilliant on the ball. He goes down. An infringement against the Phobian side. The big man himself, Emmanuel Enchi, has been so impressive with the game today. On the ball, so calm, collected. Brilliant personality as well from him.
Yeah, I think he's done so well, Benghazi, and Kotoko are showing that they are a very good side who can actually hold the ball, move to the wing, sending crosses, and then Hearts of Oak look like a team disjointed, a different team from what we saw in the first half. They need to get their act together, Benghazi. If not, they might concede a third goal.
Samba O'Neill locates Albert Tam on the right side now. Albert goes in. Goes past one man now, but ball be cleared, ball blocked, and the fullback take over the ball now. Hasselfolk trying to initiate an attack on the ball. The goal scorer for Hasselfolk. Hamza Issa, good ball infield, and ball be cleared. Do by Zakara Husseini. Brilliant clearance from him.
Super defending, Benghazi. Great defending, but then again, a great ball right in front of Hamza Issa. But then, kudos to the defender of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Right there, he was falling, but then he made sure that he got to the ball before Hamza Issa.
Making sure that Hamza will not have any chance to sniff in front of goal for the Fabulous team. So the referee though, the flag went up, so offside. All right, offside against the Phobian club. So free kick taken by Kamara Mohammed. He locates Samba O'Neill. O'Neill back to Kamara in goal for Kotoko in this evening's encounter. Another floodlights. Kamara with a long kick. It drops to Poku. Poku locates his man Amidu on the left side. Can he get the ball to him? No. Ball be cleared. And out it goes for a throw-in. Ball thrown in now by Aqua. The referee says Amidu was impeded by Emmanuel Mankwa. So an infringement again for the Fabulous team. One more chance for them. One more chance for entry to attempt a one at Sharif Shuab and go for the Phobians.
You know, they look disjointed, and across of folk, the defense a bit fatherless, I must say, at this moment, because of course they missed the services of the goalkeeper Benjamin Asari, and then Kelvin Osesibe, who was brought out. Well, we don't understand why he was brought out, but two mistakes have caused Crass of Folk this evening here.
A free kick for the Fabulous team. Again, Emmanuel entry behind the free kick for Kotoko. He's got about 6 men in the box to look for. Will he go for direct one on goal, or will he look for options in the box? Emmanuel entry with a free kick. There he comes now. It goes in, a good one, and a poor connection from Kampoku, out for a goal kick.
Well, gradually Benghazi tick-tock, the time goes. But again, it was a very good cross that was sent in, and it found the target, but just that the connection was a poor one. You could see two players of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, yes, going in for the ball there.
Control the ball. Hussein, he finds Kakari on the right side. Kakari controls the ball now. Back to his man, Amponsa Raphael. Amankwa to Kakari again and again on the clearance. Drops to Kakari on the ball now. Chance for him. Goes to the byline, and that was a poor one for Kakari. Out he goes for a goal kick for Kotoko. Indecisiveness for him. He had so much space on his left side, and once again a brilliant cross coming in from the left. I told you about the crosses. Well, in the second half, Kumasi Asante Kotoko have dealt with the crosses well. This was a chance to send either a shot or a crossing, but it was poor decision making from him. And then, well, for now, Kotoko can breathe. Kotoko can breathe and can breathe easy. Kakari Martin should have done much better with a chance. He has totally fluffed it. Goal kick taken by Kamara Mohammed. Ball drops. And first with that ball, though, it has to focus left back Ransford Mensah to Sharif. 4-1 from him. Ball drops and will be cleared over Kennedy Yadom. Yadom gets the ball in midfield now to Amponsa Raphael. He finds Amankwa Emmanuel. Amankwa to captain for the side now. Daniel upon Afrani to Schwab. Schwab with a clearance into the Kotoko half. Flicked on beautifully. And on the ball now for the Phobian club is Hamza. Hamza on the ball still. He goes past one man easily. Hamza goes in full now. Shot comes in. The ball has been blocked. Obviously, space to go on, and play that's gone. Entry on the ball now for Kotoko. Entry controls the ball. He finds Lord Amwa on the right side. Amwa on the ball now. He goes in field. Challenged and brought down. Referee blows for an infringement for the Fabulous team. 70 minutes played now. 20 minutes to go. Still Fabulous Kotoko 1. Phobian has a folk 0. Sorry, 2-1 for the Fabulous team to say.
Yellow card
And then the man got down, yellow card again, flash to Kotoko. And that is the man, Stephen Apia, sorry, the left winger for the Phobian Club. Flash with a yellow card for that tackle on the Kotoko attacker. There it is, man in pain on a tap still. So temporary hold up at this stage as the game is halted. Because of treatment given out to the Kotoko player.
Way forward here, the chances that he would give. And what next for him? They have 19 minutes to go. Trust me, it might just be the President's Cup, but then again, it would go a very, very long way to inform his season, to inform what would happen when he takes full control in preseason. So, yeah, yellow card obviously confirmed. The Rashford Mensah also receiving another yellow card from referee for dissent. He actually went to complain and receiving a yellow card in there. But then, good game so far.
Game restarts and a poor one from Entry. So throw in for Kotoko. Throw in for the Phobian Club. Ball thrown in by Amankwa Emmanuel. He finds captain Opong Afrani. Long one from him, but straight to goalie for Kotoko. Mohamed Kamara, who this time around says, no gift for you, Kotoko. Hamza Isa, the most scored the only goal for Kotoko. Kamara knows his team is in control and with a lead, so taking some time on the ball. Long ball from him though, headed down by Kwampoku, by the drops to Kakari Martin. He goes back, Amankwa with a clearance, nobody in particular. Ball requested to the body of the carrier and cleared, and out it goes for a throw-in. Throw-in for Kotoko, who know they must chase this game at this stage. Dramani's team are chasing it and gonna go bringing on substitution again. Baba Yaya is coming on for Seth Kojo. Baba Yaya, John Kotoko from Kumaskin Faisal. And look at that. Rafael Amponsa is pushing Seth Kojo, and referee will not have any of that. Referee says yellow card if you misbehave, and that's so.
But then referee would have none of that. So
So there's a man on now for you. Yaya Baba Yaya, as he's called in Kumasi. Also with a chance. A shot comes in and it flies over the upright door. That was coming in from Ransford Mensah with a shot. But it was always rising. And over the crossbar goes for a goal kick for the Fabulous team.
Of course, when desperation sets in, you decide to go in for long balls like this. And I'm not surprised at all. Don't be surprised to see a lot more of these long balls from Accra Hearts of Oak.
Chasing the game, the Phobian Club. Kotoko was to try and extend the lead here. Yaya Baba on the ball now. He finds the man on the right side. Amma with a cross. It drops though. And will be cleared by Kotoko in midfield now. Good ball over the top. Looking for the run of Kakari Martin. But that ball cannot get to him. It's been cleared. Peter Amidou now on the left side for Kotoko. He comes in field. Peter Amidou. He finds Emmanuel Entry. Entry with a good pass. Amwa is onside. Cross comes a chance. And what a miss from Kampoku. He had a gaping goal in front of him, but he could not make it. Look at that. Look at that. He was always falling. So couldn't connect the ball very well. And so out the ball go for a goal kick for Kotoko.
There was some kind of pressure from David upon Afrani, and he made sure that, well, Kwame Poku didn't.
That would have been that, but the Phobians are coming back. Another poor pass from Kakari. And Kotoko again will come through. Amidou gets the ball to pass his man now. It is a 3 versus 4. Referee has blown for what? He has blown for offside. Wow. He goes in for the ball himself. Kwampoku was the one who was off. He didn't go for the ball. So where was the offside here? Well, play goes on though. Hartlepool with the ball in their own half. Sharif Suab control the ball in his own half. Sharif with a long one outfield, looking for option. Ball headed though. Hartlepool again now. Runs for Mensah. Good ball to Kakari now. Chance for Kakari. Goes in full now. Chance for Kakari. It's a goal! But the linesman flag is up. The linesman's flag is up though for offside. Linesman flag is up for offside.
Now we'll see the decision of the referee.
Let's see the replay again. There it is. That's the first one. Kakari is onside. He's onside, so Kakari gets the ball. He goes infield, goes past one man. Let's see. He's still onside. Now let's look at the man here. He's still on. Let's see. Let's see. There it is. He was slightly offside.
Yeah, of course.
He was slightly offside.
Right call,
So
from, the referee.
And
the players are not too happy. And again, we are disadvantaged in our part of the world, Benghazi. We don't have the luxury of VAR to get another view or give the referee a chance to review for everyone to see that indeed it was an offside. But as I would always say, the referee has the final say. They are in charge. They are like a judge, and their decision would stand still and would have to continue play. Hearts 1, Kotoko 2, Benghazi.
It is what it is. Offside is a call made by the referee, and for the replays, clearly he was offside, slightly offside. So we are waiting the restart of the game here, live on GH1 TV. Are covered the President's Cup, live at the Accra Sports Stadium against Kotoko. We have about 12 minutes of action left in this game. Temporary hold up here at the Accra Sports Stadium.
Bloods will keep going, coming in from Coach Masoud Didi Dramani.
So game about to restart here again. An infringement for Kotoko in your own half. Kamara, Mafia relief man. Long ball from him though into the Hasselhoek half. Headed back by Konadu Yadom. Flicked on. Hasselhoek again. Chasing the game. On the ball for the fullbacks in midfield now is the man Rafael Amponsa. To right side now he goes. Kakari Martin. Martin goes in full again now for Hasselhoek. Kakari on the ball still. Can he go past this man? No, he can't. Ball cleared. Referee don't blow for an infringement for Hasselhoek.
Or a chance for Hasselhoek to send the ball into the box and make amends, Benghazi, because we have close to 11 minutes to get to 90 minutes and some additional time there. Of course, that stoppage from the goal that was chalked off because of offside would give us some additional minutes. But then goalkeeper Kamara would have to come to the party this evening for Kumasi Asante Kotoko and get the win for his side.
So an infringement there for Hasselhoek. 18 minutes played here at Accra Sports Stadium. 10 more minutes of action left here, plus at a time that is an infringement, and Kotoko will defend this. The fullbacks have got men in the box to look for. This could be dangerous. Kakari Martin behind the ball for Hasselhoek. The human wall being formed by the Fabulous team. There will be a 3-man human wall formed by Kotoko. And will this be the leveler for the Phobians? Let's wait to see. Kakari Martin together with Amponsa behind his free kick for Accra Hasselhoek. Kakari goes in, and a beautiful save there from Kamara. Mohamed saving coolly for the Fabulous team. That's what a good kick from Kakari Martin, on target, and well saved there by Kamara.
Well, I told you, you need to come to the party, and he's come to the party with this good save. I mean, that mistake earlier in the first half was unpardonable, and he's made amends, I'm sure, Benghazi.
Made amends with that save from the earlier mistake he made in the first that led to the goal for Hasselhoek. The Phobians with the ball in the half now. Cleared a long one in there from goalkeeper Sharif. Headed out by Zakaria Fuseni. Out for a throw-in for Hasselhoek. Picked up ball by Amankwa. He finds Kakari. Goes in for good ball from him now. Shot comes in, is in block. Referee says what? Penalty! Referee has blown for a penalty for Hearts of Oak.
Drama, Benghazi, pure drama. And look at Kamara. Kamara walking to the referee, disagreeing with that call there. But it is football for you. And as I said, the referee would always have the final say. And this time, referee Reginald calling someone has pointed to the spot. And what is it going to be? Would we see the equalizer
again now? Shot coming in and clearly off a penalty.
Clearly, Benghazi.
Clearly coming up.
Clear penalty. You see the distance from which
from the body.
Exactly. And so a good call once again from referee calling someone. 82 minutes of play, Benghazi.
Penalty for Hearts of Oak. Can they redeem themselves with a spot kick?
It takes a man of courage at this point of the game to get up, pick the ball, and say, send me, oh Lord, I will do the work for you. And it will take another courageous man in the form of Mohamed Kamara to step up and save this penalty. 83 minutes, Benghazi.
And look at the man with the ball. Kunadu Yadas has picked the ball up. He's a man who made 2 mistakes for the fabulous goals. Can he redeem himself? Is the question.
Benghazi, there is a song running through the mind of Kunedu at this moment. Redemption song. He wants to redeem himself. Let's see if he can redeem himself.
Kunedu Yadom leaves the door for Amankwa Emmanuel. So Amankwa Emmanuel for Hearts of Oak with a penalty against Mohamed Kamara. Amankwa v. Kamara. Amankwa versus Kamara. Kamara in your shots. Amankwa here for Hearts of Oak. 84 minutes played. Penalty for Hearts of Oak. Will this be the leveler? Amankwa will have to go in. Amankwa Kamara. Will it be the leveler here? He goes in, he shoots, it is saved. What a miss from Amankwa Emmanuel. He went in, the run-up was poor, and he has missed the golden chance for the Phobian club.
And look at Karim Zito. Karim Zito is up on his feet, but it was a poor kick from Amankwa. Goalkeeper Kamara decided to stay put to his spot. He didn't move, and he was there, and he was gifted a ball. Well, don't forget that Kamara gifted a goal, and he's been gifted a penalty. A good decision-making, but a poor one from Amankwa. The fans of Accra Suffolk will never forgive him for that poor kick. Trust me, if the goalkeeper moves, it would be a great goal. But this time around, it was a poor kick from Amankwa.
A poor one from Amankwa, but game resumes. An infringement for Hearts of Oak in their own half. Long kick there from Apon Afrani. He locates his man on the left side. Mensah Ransford, who now finds Kunedu now all the way to goalkeeper Sharif Shuab. Shuab comes all the way out of his goal area. Looks up. Long ball from him. Looking for his man up front. Controlling the chest, but cleared there by Lord Amoa. Kunedu don't control the ball now. But again, we're still by the fabulous team now. This could be a chance. Kotoko with a chance now. Ball is good to Albert Amoa. 10th round though. And Yaya cannot get to that ball. Referee has blown for an infringement for Hearts of Oak.
Benghazi, what a game we've had. What a game we've had. Missed penalty, an offside goal, and of course a comeback. This has been a super game from Accra Suffolk and Kumasi Asante Kotoko. I'm sure for the neutrals it has been a good one, but for the fans of Accra Suffolk, they would have expected much from their team, especially with the way they played in the first half. Kumasi Asante Kotoko played better in the second half and substitution.
Substitutions there, defender Harry Ansu coming on for Mikria midfielder Emmanuel Entry. So the idea for the coach is simple. Best man Entry going out midfielder for a defender Harry Ansu. Clearly the coach shut up shop for Kotoko against the Phobians at this stage.
Good decision making from Abdul Karim Zito, very, very experienced man. We've seen it all. Karim Zito, don't forget that he won 2 FA Cup titles. Karim Zito with Dreams FC and then Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
Kunadu Yadam on the ball now for Asante in his own half. He looks out for options. A long one from him. Headed powerfully down, but straight to Kamara, who will try to waste some time. Why not? Finally, I'll save it for the Fabulous team. Mohamed Kamara, going to go from Guinea last season.
I think he's had a good second half, and at this time, he would want to whisk away some few seconds and spend some time with the ball and make sure that the final whistle comes very soon for Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
Kotoko on the ball now in midfield. Brilliant play from Samba O'Neill. He finds Patrick. That's Peter Amidu instead. Peter on the ball, but attack will break down. Kotoko regain the ball again though. Good ball from Aqua. Aqua looking for the run of Kampoku. Kampoku though is stopped by regains the ball and has been brought down for an infringement for the Fabulous team.
Cannot believe it. Cannot believe it at all.
Kampoku bringing him down for an infringement. So Kotoko with some limits of action left in the game, with their noses in front, trying as much as they can to close the game at this stage.
Oh, the Porcupine boys are up and doing, and look at their fans, of course, on their feet, dancing to brilliant tunes. Can they kill it off here, Benghazi?
Let's say they can here. 88 minutes of action done here. Free kick for Kotoko. 3 men plotting behind the ball against a Phobian team with 3 human wall as well. Entry is up though, so somebody from a step out for this free kick. Who will it be? Who will it be? Let's see. It comes in and a 4-1. 4-1 and out it goes for a goal kick. Now came from Albert Amoa. But that was very poor one from Albert Amoa.
Poor one. But then again, they can just, still maintain their composure, defend very well, and this cup, 2025 President's Cup, should be theirs as Asante Kotoko.
Referee has blown for an infringement for Asante in midfield, picked up by Apon Afrani. On the left side they go, and that's the man, Ransford Mensah. He goes in field, passes good, controlled beautifully by this man. He goes down, referee says place to go on, ball will be cleared by the Fabulous team, but straight to Kakari Martin. Kakari with a shot, and over the upright he goes for a goal kick.
And an ambitious one. He had his right back just in front of him. He could have gone for the option. He decided to go for glory, and they are still down by 2-1, Ben.
That was selfish play from Kakari Martin when he had a man come making the run on the right side, but he chose the wrong option of a shot, and over the crossbar it goes. Goal kick for Kotoko. Ball kicked in by Kamara, headed powerfully though by Kunadu Yadam. That was clearly an infringement as a referee. 90 minutes done. We are into the time of 4 minutes. Into the time of 4 minutes in this game. Can the Phobian club get back to this game?
Accra Suffolk would need a miracle from the gods of Accra. They would be on their knees crying, hoping for a last-minute miracle. Only Jesus can save them at this time, Benghazi. But it is football, and in just a second, anything can happen.
Ball in the area, and will be coolly saved there by the goalie, but clash of heads there. So the medical team have been called up. I can see blood oozing from the Phobian player. Who is this? There's blood all over him. So the medical team have rushed in there to attend to the players. There it is, clash of heads between Ansu and the Phobian player. That was a poor one. That was a bad clash there of heads. Let's hope they are all well.
Well, if we should end this way, Kumasi Asante Kotoko would be adding their 9th title. Yes, and of
in
course,
the President's Cup.
Yes, in the President's Cup. So they won in 1973, 1984, 2004, 2005, 2008, 2016, 2017, and then in 2019. Well, is it going to be Kumasi Asante Kotoko in 2025?
Let's wait to see. We have about 3 more minutes of action to tell, to confirm whether the Fabulous team indeed will end up as winners or the Phobians will have a last laugh.
But I think it's been a brilliant game so far, and in fact, we're done with the 90 minutes. It has been a brilliant game with what we expected. We've seen goals of late. Anytime Hearts and Kotoko meet, it's very difficult to see about 2 or 3 goals. But this time around, it has come to play. We've seen an own goal. We've seen a goal chalked up for offside. We've seen a penalty missed. And trust me, what more do you want?
It's full of drama.
Full of drama,
everything you would expect from a tough game. A big clash. We've seen it here at Accra Sports Stadium.
And it is a welcome party.
Look at the bench of Accra folk. They look dejected.
Yes.
They look sad. They look lost.
But for this Kotoko fan, in high spirit, trust me, if he would need to dance all the way home, he will dance all the way home, Benghazi.
It's fun here at Accra Sports Stadium. That is if you belong to the Red Army. If you are with the rainbow colors, not too fun at this moment.
Well, I wonder how the Honorable Okulu would be feeling right about now. And the schoolboys are not left out of the action, Benghazi.
Look at
that.
Them. Our brothers from the SHS who are here supporting the teams here at Accra Sports Stadium.
Well, a dejected
Amankwa Emmanuel made the penalty. What could be going through his mind at this moment?
Trust me, Benghazi, a moment just like Asamoah. It was close to the end of the game. If he had scored, it would have been a different story. We would be looking to take penalties here. But then, good decision making again from goalkeeper Kamara.
So fortunately, Konado is up on his feet. Head heavily bandaged though from the clash of heads with Henry Ansu. But both players are up on their feet, thankfully. So game will resume in no time.
Well, Benghazi, Masudi Dramani would have a lot of work to do. They had a good first half, but in the second half, they were all over the place. And some of his substitutions would have some question marks.
In fact, I still want to know why he took out Calvin or say Esibe. I want to find out what happened. But let's continue the action here. Long throw, wow, from Kamara. Ball drops. But we'll be taking over my Konadu Yadon for Artofo. Konadu Yadon on the ball. He locates his man in midfield. He tests beautifully. But ball will be cleared. Chance for Artofo now. He goes in field. Chance still. And the Hasbrook team again will control. Amankwa finds Kakari. Kakari back to Amankwa. Amankwa to his man. A chance. And what a useless effort and miss. The two of them were on different wavelengths. Miscommunication. And a chance goes a bag.
For Hearts of Folk to make a statement, to put smiles on the faces of their fans. But then we'll see last minute introductions from Coach Masudi Dramani as to whether they would make an impact. Well, you never know. We've seen players come on with their holy touch, score some goals. But for now, Kamara will take a very, very long
one from Kamara. Flicked on by Yaya. I guess the ball to his man, Peter Amedu, who I'm told has been named the MVP for the game today. And referee has blown. Celebrating the dance.
Amankwa would have a nightmare tonight.
School kids are not left out as well. It's all celebration and fun here at the Accra Sports Stadium. That is if you belong to the Red Army. Kotoko have won the President's Cup for the 9th time, defeating the Hasbrook Club by 2-1 here at the Accra Sports Stadium. And they'll go to their fans and applaud them in the stands. And the fans will respond.
Of course, Kamara doing a yeoman's job.
Asante Kotoko Asante Kotoko Asante Kotoko Asante Kotoko
Don't forget, they beat them in Kumasi in the league by a goal to 0. Albert Tamon, the only goal scored in Kumasi. Then here in Accra, the game ended Barrett 0-0. Today, Kotoko again has been asked by 2 goals to 1 to win the President's Cup.
Masterclass from Abdul Karim Zito.
And that you see that.
And he's done a yeoman's job. As I said earlier, he had good record coming against
And your shots now is Hamza Obin.
Asante Kotoko yebeshe mamo. Asante Kotoko yebeshe mamo. Asante Kotoko yebeshe. Asante Kotoko yebeshe mamo. Asante Kotoko yebeshe mamo.
As well. And a good shot thing by Abdul Karim Zito. And I'm sure that they will get him some players to build up his team. For Masudi Dramani, I think that he has been given some time.
All right, so it's all over at the Accra Sports Stadium. And guess what? It is the Porcupine Warriors who came all the way from
Nana Pokuari. Asante nothing can walk. Afraid I was down. Nana order on him about. Esum dining. Nothing can walk. Since coffee men say, afraid you're in fuel. You're in fuel,
having the chance to play, and then we are in a progressive process, and so we expect that anyone who has the opportunity can do it. But I'm very, very impressed with the composition and the executions. It's the early days yet. There's a lot to put in. There's a lot that we have done. There's a lot that we put in, and at least that we'll get there.
I'm a free. My young
small adjustments.
You're in fuel. When I wait to move free. I didn't see my one
I think that every player is very, very important.
On your Robert Mensa,
Number one is
Papa Yara, Mfum Covid, Adakwa, Ibrahim Sunday, Reverend Osei Kofi, Malik Jabe, Osei Drava, Edina Sigma Moda.
Love them so much. We love them for coming.
Nasia near the mam. Na ye rain fimo. Yadamasa, Yadamasi, 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 da. Yadamaso, Yadamasi, Yadamasi, da. Robert Messi, Papa Yara.
You, like I asked you earlier, never lost against Accra Hearts of Oak, and now again with Kumasi Asante Kotoko, you have really proved that you have what it takes to take against Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Tell us, what was your plan?
The plan is to come to win. Before a game, you have to ask you, what do you need this year? Because we had wanted to go in for the league, and we couldn't. So now, let's specify our supporters with the President Cup. And remember, this is the second time I won the President Cup with Kotoko against us. So it was mentality. You saw.
Na kacha me na plan be na mo wa mo de be musia.
Oh, plan na e wo mu na se e be we ne match no. Ye fifie ba ye preparation na na de anse e ba be we na nyame adom so ye timi awe ne match no.
Congratulations to you. Right, so thank you very much. We'll still be speaking to more players as well. Very soon to the presentations will be taking over. Yes. I've been joined by Opoku as well. Congratulations, Opoku.
Thank you. The game was very, very tough game. Like we didn't start well. But later part in the game, we came in. That's how come we had the second goal as well.
Now you winning against Accra Hearts of Oak here on home soil, which just happens to be the home of Accra Hearts of Oak. Tell me, how do you feel together with your teammates as well?
We are very, very happy for ourselves, for our technical team, the new players, and then to the Asante Kotoko supporters. So I say this is just a stepping stone for all of us. We're looking forward. We will try to win as much as possible. We try to win every cup that comes our way.
We wish you all the very best for the way of 2025-26 season. Thank you very much. Right, so that was Kwame Poku of Kumasi Asante Kotoko that we spoke to. I've been joined by my colleague. Mutala. Mutala, tell me, we've spoken to Coach Didi Dramani, We've spoken to Karim Zito as well. Karim Zito has never...
Interesting day. And for Kotoko, I think that for the 5th time, they have been able to beat our Accra Hearts of Oak here. And
it's 82 as well. But tell me, you know, normally when Hearts and Kotoko meet, it's always a tough game. But today, will you say it was a fair play in both sides?
If you look at the energy shown, especially right from the first 10 minutes, Kotoko dominated. Hearts of Oak came in, got their goal, then they dominated. The atmosphere was there for them to be able to push on. Back from recess, I don't know what Coach Didi Dramazito told his boys. They raised their game, they played, they got the first goal, pushed on within a minute or two, they got the second goal. And in football, once you have the momentum, I tell you what, you are going to the penalty. At some point in time, he tried to have a go at the goalkeeper, tried to take that, but it didn't work. But of course, that is how football works. And once football is like that, you just have to take it and move on. But I think that he could have had some way of taking the penalty, the way and manner he did. The goalkeeper did the right way by guessing right, and he got that.
Talking about the euphoria here at the Accra Sports Stadium from the beginning, afternoon, all the way, even from morning, people started thronging the stadium. I mean, the euphoria here, the Atmon teams.
Look, I'm seeing students in uniform
here
at the Accra Sports Stadium. And guess what? When Shatawale was here, the whole atmosphere was charged.
Was
electrifying and all of that. You see, that is the beauty of football. If we can have this, we can have this for a very long time. We can plan this for a very long time. I'm thinking that the President Cup, the organizer can find a way to more or less expand this particular trophy tournament and make it a tournament. What has happened to the top 4? Maybe we can look at it and make the President's Cup a one that can be top 4 clubs can compete, or even spread it across the country. But I think that if you ask me, this is a very great atmosphere for football game, and I enjoy the atmosphere. I enjoy the moment. A Sunday night. I wish today is a Friday. I wish today is a Friday.
I know, right? Now, talking about publicity of this whole game itself, I think publicity also went down very well to inform the stadium, the players or fans to also throng the stadium as well.
Absolutely. So earlier in the day, you didn't see that coming, did you?
And for Accra Hearts of Oak taking this.
Of course, Monica, if you look at an atmosphere like this, you would love to be going home with a gold, right? But now Hearts of Oak players are taking on the bronze. I don't know what will be going through their mind, but a football match, an atmosphere like this, you want to be at the winning side. But of course, once you get it wrong, I think that Didi Dramani has seen some things. He's now getting his team right. He's seen a lot of things that going forward, he will be able to put things together and make sure that he gets a great team for the future. But I think that if you look at this Hearts of Oak squad, like I mentioned earlier, their captain, the absence of their captain, especially in the second half, they could make a case for that. But of course, football, the players are more than 11. So you have about 18, 25 and all of that. But of course, today has been a beautiful day. President John Dramani Mahama is honoring the players, especially the runners-up. Absolutely, yeah. Accra Hearts of Oak. And of course, you could see that live on your screens over there, trying to edge the players on. And the atmosphere alone.
For the kick, because looking at the one who went for the ball, he was much ready. To play. But they came. I don't know the communication that came from the bench for them to swap. I mean the penalty taker. Also, the game itself. I told you that the second half, if Kotoko should go for all the duels and then win all these second balls and come to the party, Kotoko will get the win. And the second half, you saw when they came to the party, everything showed that they have come to the party to win. So I think kudos to the players. They've shown mental quality in this game. I mean, for that comeback within 2 minutes, getting 2 goals, I mean, it's a thumbs up to them. They've done great. I also told you that this game is going to be game for these 2 coaches.
That's true.
Yeah, to exhibit what we are expecting in the upcoming season. I mean, their trump card will win the day. Whoever throws his trump card, look at the substitutions that went on. Most of the substitutions were so tactical. Yeah, so I think the best team won. The best team that took their chances because the second half was electrifying.
Exactly.
Where end to end, everybody is firing, no conserving any energy. Everybody is blowing all cylinders, and I think it was a great game that we witnessed.
Okay.
Even apart from the winning to my darling club Kotoko, we have seen. The glimpse of the upcoming season. So we urging the fans to troop into the stadiums like this. And through that, the boys too know that people are watching.
Second assistant was Emmanuel Dolagbanu, and then the fourth was Charles Bulu. But it is now the turn of the champions of the 2025 President's Cup, Kumasi, Asante Kotoko, Okumapima, Apembeba. They've come all the way from Kumasi, shown their mettle. They came, they saw, they have come season. What a way to obviously also sort of start a new season. They are now getting how many trophies? They are waiting for the champion of champions against BBN Gold Stars to find out whether they will make it 3 for themselves in the cabinet this season. Kumasi, Asante Kotoko. So on your screens currently, the players filing past, taking their medals, their gold medals. Kwame Poku in your shot. Amwa there. Listen, for me, this is a toast of good football that we've all enjoyed on your screens. And you wouldn't get this anywhere apart from here on GH1 TV and on our Go TV. But lots of commendations coming in from people who are watching from far and near. From the United States of America, messages coming in to live, Eric Bequin telling him they are watching live, and the pictures are...
Even the pictures that people are sending to us, you can still see the quality. You can feel it.
Sure.
This is visible. You can see that. You guys are doing so well. And always I do say that when we are applauding you, it's the time for you to work extra harder.
That's true.
Yeah. So it's a good game that we witnessed. It's a very, very good game. And I did tell you that Kotoko is more comfortable playing in Accra than Kumasi.
That's the truth.
So if Kotoko should come to the party, they will win the day. And it did happen when they came to the party. Yeah.
All right, so the president of the land, I'm talking about the first gentleman of the land, President John Dramani Mahama. They're giving the players the gold medal. The Kumasi Asante Kotoko technical team there on your screens currently taking their gold medals, and we have the captain waiting to lift the 2025 President's Cup trophy. So we've been counting it down, and it has come down now to the final day, and we have seen the champion. It is Kumasi Asante Kotoko who are lifting the trophy, and we'll be seeing the president hand over the 2025 trophy to them very soon. They'll be going all the way to Kumasi to go and present this to Otunfo, obviously. And what a way to end the season, and what a way to end this particular game. The Minister for Sports and Recreation there, Honorable Kofi Idi Adams, and also the chairman for GALCA, Mr. Kofi Ansa, John Kofi Ansa, making sure that they put this together well. And also the chairman for the sponsorship committee go and lift the President's Cup trophy to give it to the captain of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. So let's now head over to the Accra Sports Stadium, hand over to the team there as the president gives the champions, Kumasi Asante Kotoko, the 2025 winners of the President's Cup. On your screens currently, we have the regional minister for for the Ashanti region. He has promised them, and listen, this is the moment. I will need to call some of the players. Have you received your dollars? What is the story going to be?
Of course. He's going to deliver.
Yeah. So there you have it. This is the moment, Eric. This is the moment every player wishes to have. This is the moment every player has been crying for. Champions of the 2025 GALCA President's Cup, Kumasi Asante Kotoko, and what a way to make it happen for themselves. They come all the way and they play at the backyard of their wives. And there you have the bonfire there by the military, the Ghana Armed Forces, making sure that we have a beautiful day in celebrating our republic with this trophy. And I can see the likes of Kwame Poku, the likes of Amwa is going to go down. It's going to be a long night. The night is very young for them, but unfortunately for Hearts of Oak, They're taking an early night. They're going to take, I'm sure that the blankets in Accra is going to get finished soon. I don't know about the weather though. But then, hey, unfortunately for them, it's going to be not too good a night here in Accra. What a way to lose it, but at your backyard. Not too good for the Americans.
And you know, normally as footballers, when we travel for games of such magnitude, and even the distance becomes more shorter.
Yeah,
but when you lose, it's very, very far. I quite remember one driver said, when we lose and we are going, before you will not hear anything there, but the only thing you hear, Messi wow.
Oh my goodness. So everybody is dead silent.
Everybody's dead silent.
Nobody wants to say anything.
Driver will say, yo, Messi why?
But I can tell you for a fact that it was here when the Chapter O president himself did mention the fact that, listen, when they lose games like this, they end up in the stands. They are not able to even come out of their seats. Sometimes you try to walk to the entrance of the Accra Sports Stadium and you want to come back again because you don't know whether you're going home or you are still staying inside the stadium. Is that the story? Is that what we're going to be seeing written? Well, the story has been rewritten this time around. What are the connoisseurs saying? What did they say before the game? And obviously, we're going to see the different headlines, the banner headlines, have it on the various portals, on the various socials. It's Kumasi Asante Kotoko ending that winning streak of Accra Hearts of Oak. And the bragging rights, obviously, going to go to the fabulous lads. Fabulous they were fabulous on the day, and obviously they continue to be fabulous over the Phobians today.
$200 per game.
Oh, yeah.
Greater Accra Regional Minister also promised the Phobians 1,000 Ghana cedis per game. I wonder what will happen.
And now the 1,000 has gone down the drain. Kumasi Asante Kotoko, champions of the Galka 2025 President's Cup. The mayor said that every goal that they score is going to be $200. So now they have $400 for scoring those 2 goals against Accra Hearts of Oak.
But if it's $400, it's still the $1,000 is so much.
It's still relevant. It's still relevant.
But of course, who cares? Whatever is important right now is that in 6 matches, they have beaten Accra Hearts of Oak 5 out of 6. And that is wonderful. That is wonderful. That is really, really wonderful for the Hearts of Oak, Kumasi Asante Kotoko. So for Hearts of Oak now, they have to go back, prepare. They have to go back, try to get their things right, and be able to make sure that they should be able to put out a strategy to be able to get things right so that the next time when they are playing against Kumasi
Asante Kotoko, Asante Kotoko, Asante Kotoko, Asante Kotoko,
It's an exciting moment here, and this is where we bring it all to an end from the Accra Sports Stadium.
Asante Kotoko, yebesha mamo. Asante Kotoko, yebesha mamo. Asante Kotoko, yebesha. Asante Kotoko, yebesha mamo. Asante Kotoko, yebesha mamo. Yebesha mamo. Asante Kotoko, yebesha. Asante Kotoko, yebesha ko. Asante nothing can walk. Afraid I was down. Nana order on him up out. There's some dining. Nothing can walk. Since coffee men say, afraid you're in fuel. You're in fuel, crap. Yenya ya bewa. Yes, Renya Mimo. On my one warding. Ani nyansa. Na pashe kui mayenda. Ami mamuda. Osei poku. Kwa brapong. Osei pachi. Mwina nyami muamuda. Alhaji Ademu. Ya Lawson. Allen Jima. Mwina yesre mamuda. Nasiani adimamu. Yadamase. La no usu. Osei koko. Babrapon. Osei kweku. Kopi mense. Simse yadawasienso. Nano poku are. Yadawasienso mopeda wasienso. Yahweh. 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 Namima wa wodina. Yadamasa. Fiuno, when I wait to move crazy, I did not see my one da. On Robert Manson, Papa Yara, Mfum COVID to 4. Adakwa, Ibrahim Sunday, Reverend Osei Kofi, Malay Jabe, Osei Driver, I did not Sigma Moda. Nasia near the mum, na ye rain fimo. Yadamase, Robert Nancy, Papa Yara, Yadamase, Ibrahim Sunday, Yadamase, Malik Chabe, Ose Drabe, Ose Kopi, Yadamase, nothing come more. Yadamase, Yadamasampa, nothing come more. Yadamase, Papa Kukawa, Kopi Bedo, Asa DJ, Osu Satre, Sate Patu Pravoda, Ampadu, Opakunti, Kene, Joe Texe, Razake Patu Prawa, Francis Kumie, Tanowusu, Anu Walker, Kopi Jabe, Odoi, Kadanio, Bukumapma, Apimbaba, Bukumapma, Apimbaba, Asante Kotoko, Yenimpo, Yenimdanio, Kotoko, Yenimpo, Yenimdanio. Wukumapma, Apimbeba, Wukumapma, Apimbeba, Asante Kotoko, Wukumapma, Apimbeba, Wukumapma, Apimbeba, Wukumapma, Apimbeba, 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 Wukumapma, 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 Apimbeba, Wukumapma, Apimbeba, 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 Apimbeba.
Asante Kotoko say, yeah, yeah. Asante Kotoko say, yeah, yeah. Asante Kotoko, yeah. Asante Kotoko, yeah. Asante Kotoko say, yeah, yeah. Asante Kotoko say, yeah, yeah. Asante Kotoko, yeah. Asante Kotoko, yeah.
Asante Kotoko yebeshe mamo. Asante Kotoko yebeshe mamo. Asante Kotoko yebeshe. Asante Kotoko yebeshe mamo. Asante Kotoko yebeshe mamo. Asante Kotoko yebeshe mwako. Asante Kotoko yebeshe. Asante Kotoko yebeshe ko. Asante, na sinka wo, afraid I was down. Nana order on him up. Esum dining. Nothing can walk. Since coffee men say, or pray your rain fuel. Your rain fuel crack. Yendia ya bewa. Yes, Renya Memo. On my one warding. Ani nyansa. Na pashe kui mayenda. Nana ye wusu. Wusu kanubio. Yes, Renya Memo muda. Osei poku kwa brampong osei kwachi nyina nyame mu amoda alhaji ademu ya ulawson alen jima nyina yesrema muda nasiani adimam yadamase la no Osei poko, Osei kweku, Kofi mense, sinse yeda wa sienso, Nano poku are, yeda wa sienso, mofrida wa siensa, Yahweh, Yahweh, namima wa wodina, yeda masa. Wana wecha mukri edi nasima wana da Onche Robert Manson Papa Yara Mfum Kofi Tufuo Adakwa Ibrahim Sunday Reverend Osei Kofi Malik Jabe Osei Driver edi nasigma muda Nasiani edi mam Uye na ye renfimo Yadamasi da Yadamasi da Robert Messi Papa Yara Yadamasenso Ibrahim Sunday Yadamasenso Malik Jabe Osei Drabe Osei Kofi Yadamasenso Nasinkamo Yadamasampa Nasinkamo Yadamasida Jimmy Swag. If you time is the morning, we are the my way. Ejuma biara ejuma. Ndija wejuma ye. Many more friend koda. Them afraid ye man. One per one some. Maybe bianco ye man da. Nasia near the mama. Nasia near the mama. Yada wa senso, popo kwe free, yadi nasima oda. Nasia ni adimoa, popo kwe, yada masa, yada masi da. Ayuma, abeta, Harune, yada masi. so Akadi Papa Kukawa Kopi Bedo Asa DJ Ousu Satre Sate Patu Pravoda Ampadu Opakunti Kane Joe Texe Razake Patu Prawa Francis Kumie Roxon Tano Wusu Anu Walke Kofi Japan Odoi Kamara Peter Otre 3 boys Zito Kofi Dukoe Pati Frewe Ye Frewe Jienswa Sate Setam Pedo This is Fremuda Asante Kotoko Yenim Daniel Ukumapma Apimbaba Ukumapma Apimbaba Yenim Daniel Yenim Daniel Ukumapma Apimbaba Ukumapma Apimbaba Asante Kotoko Yenim Daniel Kotoko Yenim Daniel Apimbaba Ukumapma Apimbaba Asante Kotoko Ukumapma Apimbaba Ukumapma Apimbaba Ukumapma Apimbaba Apimbaba Ukumapma 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 Kotoko say, yeah, yeah. Asante Kotoko say, yeah, yeah. Asante Kotoko, yeah. Asante Kotoko, yeah. Asante Kotoko say, yeah, yeah. Asante Kotoko say, yeah.